Hello, in this video we are going to learn Dawn is Breaking. This is page 10 on your grade 2 book. So make sure you open your book to page 10, yeah? It's not the next page from the last week. So what I'm gonna do is play the entire song right hand and then play the entire song left hand. It's just one page, yeah? Because you're already grade 2. I expect you to be able to read this by yourself. Don't forget to hold when you need to hold it, 3 beats gitu ya. Setengah ketuk, okay? Now, this one, almost all the phrases are legato, so make sure your right hand is all legato, okay? Frasenya, there's like first measure to second measure, and then there is another phrase, yeah. So at the end of the phrase, angkat tangannya, mulai lagi. So I'll show you the first phrase, measure 1 to 2. Oh, by the way, this is in 6/4. The key signature is 6/4. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Balik 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi one measure, there's 6 beats. This is a new key signature for you. I'll play it from the beginning to end, just the right hand. High G, 5, yeah? One, two, angkat, next phrase. Now the B section is number 5, geser ke high E. Okay. Geser lagi 5 on high G, section A. 1, 2, 1. Angkat. Retardando melambat. Slowly piano. Okay, so what you need to pay attention here is also the dynamics, ya. So misalnya satu frase, there's MF, habis itu di belakangnya dia mengecil, right? Selalu kayak gitu, each phrase. Misalnya di frase 1, mengecil, kayak gitu ya. Ada di end, you gotta kayak quieter, make it quieter, bukan slow ya, quieter. 1, 2, and then MF again. Quieter. B section, this is MP, so a lot quieter from MF ya. It's like you're singing. Louder. Nyambung semua ya notnya. 1, 2. Retardando, melambat, piano, like that. Yeah, so I want you to practice the right hand dulu sampai bisa. Yeah, with all the dynamics, karena ini romantic era, very expressive. Okay, now we will work on your left hand from the beginning to end. 1 on G, 5 on C. flat C, 2, 3, jempolnya geser G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, geser jempol, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then B section, go down, A and E, 3, 4, 5, 6, F sharp, 2, 3, geser jempol E again, 2, 3, measure 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F sharp A, 2, 3, geser jempol, 2, 3, back to A section, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, geser A flat, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, melambat retardando, and in C and G. Okay, very easy, right? Jadi banyak geser-geser ya, hati-hati. Now I'll play both hands from beginning to end. Moderato tranquillo. Tranquillo means peaceful. Ya, jadi mainnya santai aja. Good. Okay, I'll see you next time.